All right, you fabulous math masters, come on back to class. Here we go. Let's get started on our next problem. Okay, E, we have 2/3 and 7/8. Well, they're both pretty close to one whole, but what's bigger, a third or an eighth? I mean, just take a look at this. You can be copycats, please. 1, 2, and 3. We cut this chocolate bar into 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So here's 1/3, right? And here is, excuse me, 2/3. Right, sorry. And then we have 7/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So one more eighth is closer to 1 than another third. So 7/8 is indeed larger. Over here, 1/3 or 2/4. Okay, well, we could multiply on the top of our heads to see what this is. Let's multiply 1/3 by the fancy form of 1/3. Shall we? I think so. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Over here, 4 times 3 is 12. Excuse me. Mr. Leggett. No, hold on. Forget that. I'm so sorry. Long day. Let's do this again. 3 times 4 is 12. And 1 times 4 is 4. So we have 4/12 is equivalent to 1/3. See which one's bigger. We go over here. 4 times 4 is 16, right? Excuse me. Boy, just not with it today. Yeah. Wow. I'm so sorry, guys. 4 times 3 is 12. And 2 times 3 is 6. So 6/12 is equal to 1/2. How many more 12s are there? There's 2 more 12s on this side. So 1/2 gets eaten. Sorry, senior moment. Why don't you go ahead and try to do the final 4 on your own? So go ahead and pause the tape or the recording and give it your best shot. And welcome back, Math Masters. Take a look here. We have 5/10. That's 1/2, right? 5 is 1/2 of 10. We need a whole another half to get there. Over here, we just need a third to get to 1. So I'm using that as my benchmark that this is greater than 1/2 and this is equal to half. So gonna eat that way, go that way with any alligator. 11/12 and 2/5. Well, 2/5 isn't even halfway. 2 isn't even halfway to 5, right? 11/12. So we just need one more 12. So of course that one is larger. Down here we go. They're trying to be tricky here. Would you rather have 49 of the 100 pieces of chocolate or 51 of the 100 pieces of chocolate? Of course, you'd rather have the 51 pieces if you like chocolate like I do. Over here we have 7/16 and 51 100ths. How are we going to figure this one out? Well, what's half of 16? Okay, half of 16 would be 8, and half of 8 is 4. So we'd have 4/8. Excuse me. This is really a tough lesson for me too. So 16ths, half of 16 is 8. 7 is less than 8, right? So we have 7/16. But over here, half of 100 is 50. So 50 100ths would be 1/2. So this is greater, just a little bit greater than 1/2. So we would go over there and eat that side, any alligator would. Whew. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, damas and caballeros, what I'd like you to do is head on to the next video with a new special guest. So I hope you enjoy that for the student debrief. And I'm waiting now for the screencast to come on so I can